Okay, so what you can do is you can use a power bank to power it, or just plug it into a USB port. So let's go ahead and power this on. So as you guys can see, you have two lights underneath here. Hey guys, today we are reviewing a photo box. Let's go ahead and show you what you get. So it comes in this nice portable carrying case. Alright, so it is lighted, and they do supply you with all the cables needed. So you got up, down, on, off, and mode. You have different colored backgrounds as well as a manual. So these are just different color backgrounds that you guys can use as your photo backdrop, video backdrop. So definitely provide you with plenty of colors. So for this, very simple, you just open it up and you would go ahead, kind of bend the panels out a little bit. Let's see if we can show you guys better. The circle is going to be the top, so this is always up top. So keep that in mind when you're setting this up. So let's set it up and show you guys what it looks like. So once you have it set up, this is how it's going to look. And you can put these flaps inside or outside. We just put it on the inside for right now. But the circle caps basically just go like this for in and out. And that's how it looks once you're done. Okay, so what you can do is you can use a power bank to power it, or just plug it into a USB port. So let's go ahead and power this on. So as you guys can see, you have two lights underneath here. You can dim it, or you can make it really bright. You have different modes, so you have color modes as well, so the object gets placed inside. And again, like I said, these side pieces can be put on the other side so it doesn't look like they're sticking out, but for the time being we did it like that. But overall, very nice.